Next function in MS Excel we are going to see is vlookup. Vlookup stands for vertical lookup. In a given set of data, if you want to know a particular value vertically, we can make use of this vlookup function. Here I have given the data of an electronic showroom, the sales from January to June. The values are given in column D3 to I8. Here the products are TV, earphone, mouse, mobile, computer and speakers are given. It is product name actually. Let me type it. Product names are given in column C. From column D to column I, the values are given for every month. Now I want to know in the month of April, for example, in the month of April, what is the value of all the products? What is the amount of sales of TV? What is the total sales of earphone? What is the total sales of mouse? And the list goes on. For that, we can make use of this vlookup function. The syntax goes like this: type equal to, here is the syntax, type equal to, type vlookup. Vlookup is a built-in function. Then open the bracket, round bracket, give which value you want to find out. So in this case, I am giving the input in I12. In column I, 12th row, I am giving that value has to be searched. Then give the table array. So here the table input, the array starts in C2 cell to I8 cell. So from C2 east I8 comma, this is the table array. So in this table only the value has to be looked up vertically. Then index number. Index number here, it refers to in which column you want to see, in which column you want to see vertically. In this case, I want to find out only the April month sales product wise. So I am giving the index number as 5. So here you should not look at the columns of the Excel sheet. You should look at the input of the given data. Here product name is the first column, the month January is in the second column, then February is in the third column, March in the fourth column, then April is in the fifth column. So in the given output, which value you wanted to see. So in the given output, fifth column value, it has to look vertically. So I have given index number as 5. If you want to see the May month sales, then you have to give the index number as 6. If you want to see the February month, then the index number for the given data will be 3. Then comma, you have to give the approximate match, whether you want to see the exact match or approximate match. For that, the built-in option available with Excel is either true or false. If you type true, then it will give you the approximate match. If you want the exact match, then you have to type false. Close the bracket, then the syntax is over. Here I have given the April month sales because I have given the index number is 5. Then the index number 5 denotes April. Then the output will be $388 for the television sales in the month of April. Here let me change the product name. Instead of television, I want to find out what is the total sales of mouse in the month of April. Then I am pressing enter. The output is $14. Let me cross verify it. Mouse April month sales is 14. Let me check one more example. I want to see the computer sales of April month. So it should be, the output should be $402. Let me check what it comes. Yes, $402. So here, instead of April month, if you want to find out for the June month, then you can type here JUNE, June. Then you have to recheck the syntax as, here you have to change, you can follow the formula bar. June month is in the 7th, index number is in the 7th column. So you have to give 7, then press enter. Then for the computers, the June month sales will, June month sales was $489. So according to the index number, you have to give the numbering. So I repeat, for the index number, you have to refer within the input range. In this given table, product name is the first column, January is in the second, February in the third, March in the fourth, April in the fifth, May in the sixth, then June is in the seventh. And accordingly, if you change the input, then you'll be getting the output. For example, instead of computer, I want to check for the earphones. Then I type earphone. Then the output is, for the earphone, the June month sales are 104. I reiterate the syntax once again. Type equal to, then type vlookup, within bracket give the value in which product value you want to see, give the cell reference number. In this case, my input is in the I12, column I, 12th row. So the cell is I12. It has to look up the value of I12 cell. Then give your table array, entire table array. The input starts from C2 cell to C2 cell to I8. So here the C, then here it is I. The input starts in C2, then it finishes at I8 cell. So it is C2 East I8, comma, give the indexing number. In the given output, which column you want to find out. Give that, then comma, give true or false. False for the exact match and true for the approximate match. So please give false, then close the bracket, press enter, then give your input, which value you wanted to find out. I want to find out the earphone sales of June month, then I'll be getting the output as $104. Thank you.